It's shot o'clock now. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground and back to the Shot Shootout, where we continue our quest to find the best old-time shot from when I was young and back in the heydays of going to the bars, probably in the 80s and 90s. We're into round 2 of the shootout, but first we got to talk some results for the end of round 1 to see who makes it into the shootout. But before I do that, hey, if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the Underground. We have a lot of great things, all cocktail related, whether it's taste tests and reviews, competitions like this, the shootout, just good old happy hours. We do it live every month and it's a really good time. So be sure to subscribe, bang that notification button so when the bar is open, you'll be told about it. You can come hang out with us and have a good time. So we have 3 at the end of round 1 we got to talk about. First was matchup number 12, which was the Purple Hooter and the Alabama Slammer. 2 really good. I just have to get my notes because I remember a lot of drinks, but I can't remember exactly what's in everything all the time. So the Purple Hooter, if I recall correctly, was just some Raz vodka, Raz liqueur and sour mix. Really good. And then Alabama Slammer is a classic Southern amaretto, sloe gin, a little bit of orange juice. Either one of those would easily do well in the competition if it were to move forward. But I voted, you guys voted, and the winner of that matchup between the Purple Hooter and the Alabama Slammer was the Alabama Slammer. And then in number 13 matchup, 2 really good ones that I had forgotten about from a long time ago. Slippery Nipple, simple drink, some Sambuca and a little bit of Irish cream. And that matched up against the Dr. Pepper, which there's a couple different ways you can make it. This time, in that round, we got a pint glass, put some beer and some Coca-Cola in it, and then we dropped a shot of amaretto in it, drank it down. It tastes just like the soda. So those 2 went together, the Slippery Nipple, the Dr. Pepper, and the winner there was the Dr. Pepper. And then finally, in our last matchup of the first round of the shootout, number 14 was the Brain Hemorrhage. Simple drink, some peach schnapps, and then you put a little bit of Irish cream in it, and it kind of swirls around, it kind of has a little brain thing to it. And then you just drizzle in some grenadine, and it gives you the the hemorrhage effect. Some people call this drink a bloody brain, I think. I think they're the same drink. And that went up against the Russian Quaalude. Some vodka, some coffee liqueur, some Irish cream, and one more thing. I want to say some hazelnut, maybe. Yeah, some hazelnut, equal parts of those. That's a really tasty drink. That's actually one you could just sip on and have a good time. So the winner of those 2 was the Russian Quaalude. So those 3 went back into the dish along with our other winners. So in the old dish we had 14 matchups, so we have 14 drinks here. I think we have 14. Just let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah. So now this round, those winners will match up. We'll further it down, trim it down a little more, and we'll see how we go. So for this one, we have this drink right here, and this one. So the first one, today's matchup is, I like this one. This is a fruity, flavorful drink, cocktail, shot, whatever you want to call it, the Woo Woo. And that's going to match up against Drum roll. Oh, I love this drink. I love this one. The Kamikaze. This, to me, this is a heavyweight fight right here. So let me get these ready, and then we'll get them made up and see how we do. All right, we're ready to go with these two really good shots. Now the first one is really simple, and that is a woo-woo. So I'm going to put a little ice in here first, and then it's real simple. It is half vodka, and then we need half, wait, that's not right. Half peach. I almost put the wrong thing in. I saw it, I had my notes, and I saw it, and I'm like, that's not right. If I can find it. Half peach. And then a full cranberry juice. Couldn't be simpler, right? Couldn't be simpler. Give it a shake. I'm just going to put it right back into this thing I had the cranberry juice in. And we are off and running on today's Shot Shootout with the very simple and very delicious woo-woo. So next up is another great classic, the Kamikaze. Now I told you, when possible, if we could mix them up, make variations, we would do that. And we're going to do that for the Kamikaze. Kamikaze, real simple. I hope I have enough vodka in here. Is one vodka. Just made it. And then typically it would be some triple sec. Half the amount of triple sec, which is basically just a like an orange liqueur type of thing. But to mix it up, if I can find it. How about we make a blue Kamikaze? What do you say about that? With some triple sec, which is another orange liqueur, half of the amount of that. And then we're just going to need a wee little splash of lime juice. Some more ice. Another shaker. Let's give this a go. Might not fill this, but we'll see. No, we did all right. And to mix it up tonight for our second drink in our first matchup of the second round of the Shot Shootout, the blue Kamikaze. All right, guys, our two drinks, red and blue, blue and red. The first round of the the first round of the shootout is off to a bang. and I hope you're here with us for all of the rest of it. So be sure that you've subscribed and turned on notifications. And hey, you know what? Do us a favor. Like the video and share the video. It helps us out a ton. And it really helped the GPU grow and become the world domination of cocktail shows here on YouTube. So let's see how we did. Give these a try. Without further ado, ready? Drink. I'm going to try this one first. No, I'm going to try this one first. The good old Kamikaze. This was a blue version with blue curacao instead of triple sec. Cheers. This is one of my favorites back in the day. It's just so much better than just drinking a shot of vodka. Boy, that was good. I really enjoyed that. Wow, that's going to be tough to beat. The Kamikaze to me is similar in stature. I realize they're different drinks and different, but from my appreciation of it, the Kamikaze is to a shot what I think the old-fashioned is to a cocktail. Kamikaze is just the classic shot. I mean, most people, you know, unless you drink, a shot of Jack or a shot of, that's what, like, blackberry brandy, or what do people just drink shots of, like tequila? But even tequila, you got to do stuff. You just don't drink tequila. They were the two things back in my day. If people were just drinking shots of liquor, it was either like Jack Daniels or blackberry brandy. Some people did Sambuca. What else would people drink? I mean, we didn't have like Jaeger bombs and all that stuff that people are drinking today. But I digress. So let's see how we did with this woo-woo. Vodka, peach schnapps, a little cranberry. That's good too. That's going to be tough. I don't know how you're going to decide, but I need your help to decide. So be sure to comment which one you want to try. Go out to the bar. Any bartender worth his salt is going to know how to make these. And if he doesn't, just, you know, jot down the description in the recipe from the description. You can tell him. So we have a lot to do. I need you to help me out. Vote for this. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hang out with us if you want. You can get some swag. We got all kind of different barware, hats, clothes, everything you might need to show off your GPU at home. So come back and see us again. I don't have anything to cheers you with, but thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And until we're together again, remember, I will save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.